Recent drone flyover videos of Tesla Gigafactory Berlin show that Tesla is simultaneously bringing up several buildings quite rapidly. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first this time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla and electric vehicle story. This report is based on the Electrics report, on Tasmanian report, and also on the pictures and videos provided from our friends from Giga Berlin, Jürgen, Albrecht, and Tobias. Thank you very much, everyone. Many Tesla fans in Europe are following the build-up of Gigafactory Berlin because they won't get the Model Y on the old continent until it is built at the new factory. The automaker Tesla is aiming to start production in July 2021, and in order to make that happen, Tesla is going to have to complete the construction of its main buildings at the site fast. Last month, CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, said that Tesla is using prefabricated methods to accelerate construction of Gigafactory Berlin, and I have reported on this several times at Torque News. We reported just a few weeks ago on the first walls of the first building coming up on the site. In fact, I reported it several days ago, and thankfully, Tesla CEO Elon Musk retweeted that on Torque News, which I'm very thankful for. Now, a new drone videos of the site of Giga Berlin from our friends show that Tesla is building several buildings at the same time. The new videos show at least 3 buildings with steel beams coming up and several sections with walls coming up as well. Most interestingly, we see Tesla making use of the prefabricated method with large parts coming already made directly from a train at the site. Prefabricated construction method is very popular in Germany. Like with Gigafactory Shanghai, Tesla is expected to build Gigafactory Berlin in phases in order to start deploying production capacity faster. So they will finish first phase, start producing Model Y, and then the second phase, hopefully they will start with batteries, and who knows, maybe Cybertruck and other Tesla vehicles there as well. However, it looks like Tesla will have a lot of production space in the first phase. The first phase is not small, it's pretty big with a lot of production space. Earlier this year, the automaker updated its plan and removed a battery cell factory at the site, but a German official said last month that Tesla is going to build completely new batteries at Gigafactory Berlin. Last month, Elon Musk also released a stunning render of what Tesla Gigafactory Berlin will look like when completed. It's really beautiful in my opinion. Tesla Giga Berlin is the largest industrial investment so far in Eastern Germany since 1990, says Minister President of Brandenburg. Minister President Brandenburg Dietmar continues to rely on Tesla and renewable energy sources. With their help, the reindustrialization of the Eastern Germany of the region should be crowned with success despite the recent crisis. Vodke notes that thanks to Tesla, the region is showing positive signs of continued development despite the virus. In an interview with Moz.de, he noted that he was very pleased with the cooperation of the Brandenburg government, the Greens, and Tesla. Here is a quote. There are 3 partners who have never worked together in Brandenburg before. When you see how well the cooperation is going on the Tesla project, for example, you can't complain, even in comparison to other state governments in our neighborhood. Wojtke noted that the construction of the Tesla Giga Berlin becomes more visible when you drive past the facility, and you can see that already from the drones and videos and images that our friends from Grunheide have provided. He says that Tesla factory has been the largest industrial investment in Germany since 1990. Although the project requires a lot of work, he is proud of Tesla's presence in Brandenburg. Here's what he says. Here is a quote that he gave to most.de. With all the modesty inherent in our Brandenburgers, it is the largest industrial investment in East Germany since 1990, and in the rest of Germany you can hardly find anything comparable during this period. That's why we can be proud of, but it still takes hard work to make it a success. That is why we are working on the project with considerable human resources, and I would like to thank my colleagues in the authorities at all levels. Minister President Brandenburg also assured that despite the importance of the project of Giga Berlin, there is no special attitude for Tesla. The company is very scrupulous about all issues because they need a legally non-contested procedure. Ultimately, it is about legal confidence that construction cannot be stopped or even prevented. The regional government is also working hard to make Tesla's presence as comfortable as possible for the residents of Grunheide, Erecting, and in Brandenburg area. Therefore, the planning for the expansion of highways and railways is already underway, as the appearance of 10,000 to 12,000 people, of course, cannot go unnoticed. These people need housing, people need recreational facilities, 10,000, 12,000 people need ways to get to job. In fact, one of the cities said they're building a 10 to 12 mile high-speed bicycle route to Giga Berlin, and so this 10,000 to 12,000 people presence in the area will not be unnoticed. Wojtke said most of Brandenburg's residents are happy to have this project, Tesla Giga Berlin, in the region. The speed of construction at Giga Berlin is amazing. Even the German people are surprised how fast the construction is progressing, and we need to give credit to Max Vogel company who is doing the work. One person named Kelso writes in social media saying, "I'm German and I never thought that they could bring this up so quickly in our bureaucratic country." It's also very interesting how few construction workers are actually at the site, especially when compared to the hundreds of workers in Shanghai. Seems prefab materials in German efficiency can reduce required manpower a lot. I have to confess, I have noticed this as well. I have noticed how few workers work at Tesla Giga Berlin and how many workers work at Giga Shanghai. I don't know if you have any notices, and those of you who are watching the progress of Giga Texas, do you see the same thing there? Although the nature of the work there is still different. It's leveling, and it's now soon they will start the compaction of the land. The pace of Tesla construction at all their sites truly shows Tesla's commitment to increasing production as quickly as possible, and comparatively the lip service pace of the legacy ICE car players. And when ICE gas car manufacturers quote 50 to 100,000 electric vehicles per year as a target, it also shows their lip service commitment to being a force in the EV revolution. Although I've seen that more and more ICE car manufacturers are seriously considering moving faster toward EV transformation. But the competition to Tesla is picking up, like I said. Volkswagen is building electric vehicle factories on 3 continents. Volkswagen's production capacity will pass 1 million battery electric vehicle after next year. So the market is changing. If this is true, then Volkswagen will make more electric vehicles than Tesla. That's market share. Tesla just has to build factories to be a major player, and that's a good thing. For this reason, watch my previous report that I just published already at Talk News this morning, from explaining why Tesla's Austin Gigafactory, Giga Texas, is key tool for Tesla's race in competing against the automotive giants. Meanwhile, in the United States, Tesla is building an even bigger Gigafactory in Austin. The $1.1 billion vehicle assembly plant that California-based Tesla is building in the Austin area in Texas will be just its second in the United States and 4th in the world, and potentially its biggest and most advanced Gigafactory so far. It's a very key step in Tesla's growth story. Morningstar analyst David Whiston said to the statement of Austin, Tesla is still a pretty young company despite its high public profile and what has been a skyrocketing stock price this year. Winston said they have to ramp up production. So everybody understands that Tesla has to ramp up production to compete with already gas car manufacturers who are hastily transforming to electric vehicle production in high quantities, like I just mentioned, Volkswagen. The Austin area factory, to be located on a 2,100-acre tract in southeastern Travis County at Texas 130 and Harold Green Road, will serve consumer demand in the eastern and central portion of the country of the United States for Tesla's Model 3 compact sedan, which has been its top seller, and for its recently introduced Model Y compact sport utility vehicle. But the plant in Austin also will be the launching pad for two new Tesla products, highly anticipated: the company's planned Cybertruck electric pickup truck and its commercial semi-truck for the long-haul shipping. Some analysts expect Tesla to use the Austin plant to manufacture batteries as well. The Cybertruck in particular will be closely watched as the company tries to break into a US market for pickups dominated by Ford, General Motors, and Fiat Chrysler, the so-called Big Three automakers. Now, boosting production overall is key to Tesla's goal of taking on traditional automakers by making its electric vehicles more accessible to mainstream consumers at more affordable electric vehicle prices. Tesla has said it's aiming to deliver a total of about 500,000 vehicles this year, which is 36% more than in 2019, despite disruptions related to the virus. Regarding Tesla Giga Berlin, it will be realized at an apparently unbelievable speed. According to current information from the Brandenburg state government, the first Tesla Model Y should roll out of the German Gigafactory Giga Berlin in July 2021. However, some people say it will be earlier than that. Tesla itself only vaguely specifies the year 2021 as the start date, but the web configurator says that the start of production for Europe, which means Giga Berlin, is planned for the beginning of 2021. Well, friends, let me know what you think about the speed, the development, the simultaneous building of several buildings of Giga Berlin. And in the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to show your appreciation of the friends who I've mentioned above. And also ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla and electric vehicle story. I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you and take good care of your families and your loved one. See you soon.